Nioh 3 failed to play movie codec error on PC, 2026. 1. Install HEVC Video Extensions, most important fix. Nioh 3 uses modern video codecs. 1. Open Microsoft Store. 2. Search for HEVC Video Extensions. 3. Install it. Sometimes it costs a small amount, sometimes free depending on region. Restart PC and launch the game. This fixes the issue in most cases. Number 2. Install Media Feature Pack for Windows N versions. If you're using Windows 10N, Windows 11N, you must install Media Feature Pack. Steps. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Optional Features. 2. Click Add a Feature. 3. Search for Media Feature Pack. 4. Install, restart PC. Without this, video playback fails. Nab 3. Verify game files, Steam Epic. Corrupted intro files can trigger the error. On Steam, right-click Nioh 3, Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for scan, launch again. Number 4. Install Klite Codec Pack Alternative Fix. If HEVC doesn't work, 1. Download Klite Codec Pack, Basic or Standard. 2. Install with default settings. 3. Restart PC. This installs missing video decoders. Number 5. Skip intro movies, temporary workaround. If you just want to play immediately, 1. Go to Game folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Rename or delete intro video files. Example, intro.mp4. Game will skip movie and launch. Number 6. Update GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause video playback errors. NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD, Adrenalin Software, Intel Driver and Support Assistant Update, Restart, Try again. Hash why this error happens. Missing HEVC codec, Windows N without media pack, corrupted video files, outdated GPU drivers, blocked video playback components. If it's still happening, tell me. Windows version, Home N Pro, Steam or Epic? Does it crash after logo or before menu? We'll go deeper into advanced fixes. If you want, I can also prepare SEO title plus